and I want to see how this beat go cool. Yeah, Pascal Tony, come si fanno queste idee che si fanno? Sì, ma da dove mi conosci me? Questa è una non vera impressione, perché non fai tutto a questa per amore. I don't see nothing that can make me to understand that this is the end of our business, and I make this in trend because you can't fuck with mafia. This I told you, I make this and I will make this enough to understand that mafia from the start were fucking person that they involve because they need, and the state doesn't care about them. And now media, fucking media that got with the state, they make this thing to be every time too late for making them to go in jail. Okay, if you are not with me, you are gay. Okay, if you not are you with me, you are gay. Yeah, okay, and me, I will remain. Yeah, but who the fuck you think that mafia are not like me? You want to be free? I want to make you now to be so free that you think that you are, because you fuck it with me like you with something. I hear Tupac, I interdicted Tupac. I hear Tupac, I interdicted Tupac. I hear Tupac, I interdicted Tupac. Yeah, because somebody could represent me, my stuff, and they should care enough for what the fuck I said, and they will appear like I played with my fucking show that I make, with my fucking money that I involved, and that my mind is like a revolt. Yeah. And now if we said these fucking things that are true, you know, for me never was new. For years I stay in this shit, and I don't have probably what I need. I will proceed to have and to not stare, because I think that you will go so far that you will close you enough how the much where your conclusion that mafia will be closed, where the fuck you never live it so true. And I want to see that this is something that I dismissed.